Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your WhatsApp banned number situation. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the WhatsApp application and sign up to create a new account, but you receive a warning telling you that your number has been banned, then there are a few things that you can do in order to fix this issue. The first thing that you can do is either wait for about 2 to 3 months until your number has been removed from their banned list. If you cannot wait that long, then you might need to create a new account using a different phone number. If you can't do that as well, then there is one final thing that you can try. Just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then search for WhatsApp. Once you find the application, just tap on it and then scroll down and you will find the app support page. Just tap on it and now you can find the WhatsApp support email address. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now you can use your email application to directly send an email to WhatsApp support. Now within the subject, type in support with banned number, and then within the body you can simply explain that your phone number has been banned by mistake. After you type in your message, you can simply tap on the send button and your email will be sent to WhatsApp support. Just wait until you receive a reply, and within the reply message you will find further instructions on how you can unban your number from WhatsApp. And there you have it. That is how you can unban your WhatsApp number and fix the banned number issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.